Step 1 to improve overbought RSI stock analysis. Step 1 to improve overbought RSI stock analysis. Let's get started. I'm on the weekly chart of Dupont-Nemours. The epic is Delta. This stock is listed on the Dow 30, and we're on the weekly charts. And as you can see, the RSI period 14 is above 70. So the RSI period 14 is overbought. All right. So if we want to sell, all right, we want to sell at a resistance level. Okay. All right, so look carefully here. If I join this point and this point here, all right, so I'm not going to put it all the way up here because otherwise it will be useless to me. So you can draw a trend line like this, join this point and this point, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to join it in another way. I will join this point and the closing price here, all right. Pay attention here, it is. So this is my trend line on the edge. So the RSI is in overbought zone, all right? If the RSI is in overbought zone, we need to pay attention to the resistance levels, all right? Very important. Any momentum oscillator becomes overbought, one will draw the resistance level, including the normal horizontal resistance level, and also the trend lines that are resistance level, all right? So I'm putting on my chart, so this is a resistance level here. This is also a resistance level here. The RSI is overbought zone. We want to pay attention to the resistance levels. This is the first steps, okay, to improve, okay, overbought RSI stock analysis, all right? So traders who are trading the RSI indicator, all right, in order to improve the overbought RSI stock analysis, whenever the RSI is overbought, it doesn't matter which setting you are using, whether you are using setting 14 or any other setting. Whenever the RSI is overbought, one must pay attention to the resistance levels. All right, all right. If it's truly overbought, the price will find a resistance, okay, and we start changing direction, all right? So here I have a resistance level, which is the normal red lines. These are the resistance level for this Dupont-Nemours. We are on the weekly chart. And also we have this trend line here, okay, which is also a resistance level. And I also have on my chart the pitchfork tool. So this is the brown. If I color it now into pink, you can see clearly that I have a pitchfork tool on my chart. Here it is. I have a pitchfork tool. And on the edge, the price came quite close near the median line. So RSI becomes overbought. We want to know all the resistance level so we can navigate through the market. All right. Another thing that we want to understand is that when the RSI is overbought, it does not mean sell. So clear that, okay? Clear that. We are clearing the mind of traders so they may improve, okay, their trading. All right? Clear that. Overbought is not equal sell. It's not always equal sell. All right? It means that the financial instrument is at a resistance zone. So we want to know all the resistance, because if it breaks, now you can see this, the resistance where we are now is this blue trend line. RSI overbought, price is at a resistance level. Which one? Which resistance? Because we have other resistance level, the blue line, okay? So we want to know. So this blue line becomes our warning line. So if it breaks above that blue line and finds support, we can buy. So as I say to traders millions of times, traders that are following us know what I'm going to say now, is that the only way to fool a financial market trader is to make that trader trade something else that is not the price. Okay, you may say to me, Joel, so we don't need a technical indicator. Yes, we need technical indicators, all right? But we are not trading the technical indicators, we are trading the price. So here we are. It's now at a resistance level, all right? Step 1 to improve overbought RSI stock analysis. Here we are, so we are at a resistance level. But one thing also I say to traders all the time, whenever you are analyzing a chart, very often traders spend their time looking at what is happening now. So on the week scale chart, most traders will be looking here, only this section here. All right, they will be watching only this section. What I say to traders, look on your left-hand side. All right, when you are driving, you look on your priority to the right. When you are trading, we want to see what has happened before on your left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, if you pay attention, we have a consolidation in this section here. Price consolidating. Price breaks above that consolidation level. Trader will project, okay, the width of that channel in the direction of the price. Pay attention carefully. So now we project it. Look what's happened. The price breaks above, okay, our projected channel. I don't want to repeat myself. This is about market geometry, and is retesting the, okay, that key level at the 6373. So does it look very, very bearish now? So we are at a resistance zone, and also the price breaks above, okay, a key level 6373. So this is quite tricky place, all right? It's tricky to place. But we have a way to control tricky trading setup. What is that? A top-down trading method. Whenever you see a trading setup, either bullish or bearish, or either the stochastic is overbought, or the RSI is overbought, or the CCI is overbought. In this case, we are looking at the RSI period 14 being overbought. This is a trading setup, the price on the edge, we want to sell. In order to control, okay, the risk, we use a top-down trading method. So in this scenario, we will use the weekly chart, the 4-hour chart, and a 50-minute time frame. This is how professionals are trading. You see here? So though it looks like on the edge, all right, traders are selling. You see this candle here got a bit of tail because of this key level here at 6373. Though our warning line is the blue line here, all right, if it breaks above it, okay, we can buy. It starts going up, pay attention to the median line of the pitchfork tool, the bullish zone, okay, if it goes above the 7042, which is another key level, you want to buy, you want it to break resistance and confirm that resistance as a support level. That's how we buy. The RSI is overbought, we draw all the resistance level, and we are paying attention to them. But now, we have a resistance here, and a support level. So in this scenario, it's a bit tricky now, isn't it? So how do we sell at the support level? Break below, retest. That's how we sell. Sometimes you may not see that the price may just go through it and won't go all the way down. But you will see 70% of the time, most professional traders want the price to do exactly that. Break below, retest, turn around. That's exactly what they want. All right. If you retest it, it becomes a trading setup, and we use a top-down trading method. So in order to improve the overbought RSI stock analysis, whenever the RSI is overbought, one will draw all the resistance level, the horizontal resistance, the trend line, the pitchfork tool, the hidden Fibonacci key levels. We want to watch those key levels. If the price breaks above a resistance level and confirm that resistance level now as a support level, we can buy, though the RSI is overbought. The RSI overbought, we want to clear the old way of thinking. Does not mean sell. Does not always mean sell. RSI is overbought on the edge is a bearish trading setup. Okay, one must use a top-down trading method. If the signal fell, we come out. So though here we are, if I didn't draw or any other line, or if I was spending too much my time on the RSI itself, say that, oh, it's now 80, it's now 90. If it's 90, it's definitely overbought. If it's 80, it's definitely overbought. No, we are trading the price. We concentrate on the price itself. Where are the key level? Where are the resistance level? What is the price doing? It breaks above 6373. It's now retesting the edge of the blue trend line. Now we are near a support level, which is 6373. All right, it makes sense? If you have any question, put in the comment section, and in due course, I'll answer your specific question. I hope you will find this video useful, and we put into use to improve, okay, your RSI stock analysis. I will be recording more video when I will be pointing to traders different things that they need to pay attention to when they are trading the overbought RSI. Whenever a trader is using a technical indicator, all right, very, very important point I want to make now to traders, all right, whenever you are using, okay, any technical indicator, remember that the technical indicator will give us the warning, but the price must always confirm, okay, the warning. Okay, it makes sense. It is also powerful. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about step 1 to improve, okay, overbought RSI stock analysis. Speak to you soon.